Dust of Shiner's plain, they rose as one in pride. Bricks of fire, hearts of stone, ambition as their guide. A city forged in arrogance, a tower scraping skies, reaching for the throne of God with blinded mortal eyes. Hear the voices breaking, hear the nation shaking. Babel falling into chaos. Babel, tongues are torn apart. Voices clash like thunder in the ruins of their hearts. The tower cracks with confusion. A kingdom lost to illusion. Babel, Babel, fall again. Hammer screaming rhythm rising higher through the dust. Man exalts himself to heaven, built on ego, built on lust. But the Lord of all creation saw the arrogance inside. With a word he split their voices, shattered all their pride. Hear the tongues collide.